Imagine one day you wake up in the morning, everything feels normal. Sunlight is coming through the window, birds are chirping. But as soon as you go to the kitchen to make tea, the stove doesn't light up. You try again, click, click, click. Nothing happens. You pick up your phone to check the news, and the headline you see leaves you shocked. Gas has run out all over the world. Every cylinder, every pipeline, every storage tank has become empty. You step outside and see the whole neighborhood confused. People are checking their gas cylinders and they're all empty. In just one night, the entire world's gas disappeared, as if someone pressed a button and reset everything to zero. Just think about what this means. The gas used for cooking is gone. Factories, transportation, hospital equipment, everything comes to a halt on the first day. People panic and search for firewood and coal to cook food. Crowds gather at shops and everything sells out within hours. By the second day, things get more serious. Vehicles running on CNG stop working. Supply chains break down. The daily delivery of vegetables, milk and bread stops. People start panic buying. On the third day, governments call emergency meetings. Scientists try to understand what actually happened. But there's no clear answer. Now here comes the real question. When a basic resource suddenly disappears, how do humans adapt? Some people return to old techniques. Clay stoves, solar cooking, community kitchens where everyone cooks together, on the other hand. In some places, hoarding and conflict increase because everyone wants to save resources for themselves. But here's the interesting part. People who already lived a simple lifestyle, who had solar panels or already used firewood, aren't affected much. This crisis shows how much we depend on modern conveniences, and the more we depend on them, the more vulnerable we become when they suddenly disappear. Weeks pass, people find new ways to survive. Electric cooking increases where electricity is available. Solar energy usage grows rapidly, and people learn to help each other. This story isn't just a what if. It's a reminder of how much we take for granted. So next time you light your stove, pause for a second and think, what if this wasn't here tomorrow? Are you ready?